And I want to say this. I think it was a Thursday that I decided I can't teach. I don't know how to do this, but I'm not going to be able to teach this year. And it is the next morning I show up, and there was already this team forming that I had no idea about. And you were on the phone, and you had already started forming a team. There was a team of people that I knew in the community. That's a miracle. And so that, I want to say with the Civic League meeting, this organization that I've heard about but never tapped into was there. And so I'm here, and I know I've got to make a big decision, but what I did not know is the team that he had already been preparing, not just in our community, but in Augusta, and had been, my dad has supported you. I mean, it's just like, it's been on my radar, but that's a big deal. And so we begin to recognize that we're a body here, and there's strength in that. And God says, you take this step of obedience, but what we don't know is through prayers and expertise, different people that he's going to support. Albridge was one locally that I knew, I trusted his advice, and once he stepped into that role, he never just dropped it. And I could move forward and then just take a break, or move forward or disconnect if I needed to, but his connection with you guys, and then connecting with Heidi, and I'm still not sure I understand the whole story. I'm getting it to, piecing it together. But it was just like all of a sudden God was going to carry me through this. And so that's, to me, like honestly, the biggest miracle of my life.